This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear the app cache on the Pinterest app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my iPhone opened up now and I am on the Pinterest app. To clear your cache, first thing you want to do is open up the settings page. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the upper left hand corner, I'm going to once again tap on my little profile icon. Then I'm going to scroll down a ways, down to where I see privacy and data, and I'm going to tap on privacy and data. Then I'm going to scroll all the way down toward the bottom, and right here, clear app cache. I'm going to tap on clear app cache. You see right up there it says app cache cleared. That is how to clear your cache in the Pinterest app. Thanks for watching.